Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make steak sandwiches, only way. Start by trimming fat and slicing your steak thin against the grain, then season simply with salt and pepper. Preheat a heavy skillet until very hot and sear slices briefly for a caramelized crust. Toast your rolls and melt cheese over the hot steak. Sauté onions until sweet, assemble sandwiches, press gently, slice, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. For perfect steak slices, heat a heavy pan until it just begins to smoke and add a thin layer of oil. Sear slices quickly in small batches so each piece gets direct heat and a brown crust without stewing. Avoid flipping too often. One quick turn usually suffices. After cooking, transfer to a warm plate and let the meat rest briefly to keep juices in the slices before building your sandwich with toasted rolls and melted cheese. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup after messy sandwich nights effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you spend more time cooking and less time sweeping. It's a handy kitchen companion that removes crumbs while you relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Assemble with intention. Toast rolls for a crispy exterior, then pile hot steak so the cheese melts into the meat. Sautéed onions add sweetness and texture, while a thin spread of mayo or a dash of hot sauce gives moisture and tang. Build tightly so the sandwich holds together, press gently to compact layers, and slice cleanly for easy handling. Serve with a pickle or fries to complement the rich, savory flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.